In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scrapbooks in Canva. If you want to turn favorite memories into a beautiful scrapbook, Canva makes the process much easier than trying to piece everything together manually. The key is to start with the right setup so your pages look polished on screen and also print clearly later. First, open Canva from the homepage and create a fresh project with the correct dimensions. Go to Create a Design, choose Custom Size, and switch the unit from pixels to inches. Then enter your scrapbook size, for example 8 by 8, and create the new design. This gives you a square layout that works well for scrapbook pages and helps keep everything proportionate from the beginning. Once the blank canvas opens, the next thing to do is turn on guides that help protect your design. Open the File menu, go to View Settings, and enable both Show Rulers and Guides and Show Margins. These visual boundaries are important because they show the safe area of your page. If photos or text get too close to the edge, they may be trimmed when the scrapbook is printed, so keeping important details inside the margins is a smart habit right away. Now it's time to choose a layout style. On the left side, open the Design or Templates panel and use the search bar to look for a scrapbook theme that matches the mood you want. You might search for something vintage, colorful, minimal, or travel inspired. When you find a template set you like, apply all pages so the scrapbook has a consistent look throughout. This saves time and also helps the whole project feel cohesive. After that, upload your own images by opening the Uploads tab, add your photos, then drag them into the template frames to replace the placeholders. Canva will snap them into position, which makes arranging photos very simple. If you want to add more personality, open the Elements tab and search for scrapbook style decorations like paper tape, Polaroid frames, or floral graphics. These accents can add warmth and texture, but it helps to use them thoughtfully so the page still feels clean and balanced. Next, update the text. Click into any text box, replace the placeholder wording with your own stories, dates, or captions, and adjust the font using the tools here at the top. Choose fonts that match the scrapbook style while staying easy to read. When everything looks the way you want and all content stays within the safe margins, click Share, then Download. Select PDF print, enable crop marks and bleed, and download the final file for high quality printing. That's it. Your scrapbook is now ready to save, share, or print. Thanks for watching.